So this is a Unicolor C-41 developing kit, powder chemicals that you mix yourself. So in this packet you have one packet for the developer, 1 liter, 2 packets for the Blix A, Blix B will need 1 liter, and 1 for stabilizer, you need 1 liter. So I'm using distilled water, using around 2 liters. That I'm gonna heat up to, according to the instructions, 110 degrees Fahrenheit. See that? 110. And as for the stabilizer, it can be room temperature. So I measured out 1 liter and have it here ready. Where'd you go? Stabilizer. So let's heat up the water to 110 degrees first. So this guy is around 110 already. Even more. It'll cool down in a bit anyways. So instruction says put 800 milliliters and powder number 1, developer. $800 is 27.05 ounces. Just pour that in. There's that for the developer. I'm gonna do one for the Blix also. Let's do it at the same time. 27.05. Enough. Now let's put the chemicals in. Let's put the pack 1 here. Should have used a funnel, but just like this way. Once the powder's in there, instruction says to dissolve. Well, just mix it. So I put it in here. Now that's dissolving. Let's do the Blix. Blixie. Blix A. Blix B. Let's put pack one first. After adding Blix A, we add Blix B. Catch you later. Once A and B are in, we mix it. Done. We're gonna add the rest of the water, split them up into the Devon Blix to complete 1000 milliliters. So the remaining is like 15.2 ounce, and then you just divide that by 2 and then split them up there. So we're going to do 7.6 ounce a piece. .8. .3. That's it. Now just mix them up thoroughly and split them up into 500 milliliter bags. Of course, there's also the stabilizer. So let's do this. Don't need to weigh anything because it's just 1000 milliliters. Stinks. That's it. Cover this up. And mix it. There we go. Now to split them up, I have these ones. This for developer, this for the blicks, this for the stabilizer. I'm gonna do developer first. Off, turn it on. Ounce doesn't have milliliters, so 500 milliliters is like 16.9 ounce. Just put that there. Put this here. 0.8 ounce. Zero it out. Okay, good. So this is for developer. Developer should be 16.9 ounce. Let's pour some in. Ounce. $9.3. $12. 12.8. 14.4. 15.5. 16.1. 16.6. 16.9. Okay, it's good enough. And the rest, I'm gonna put it here and leave it in a dark, cool area. The reason I like these is you can remove the air, making it airtight. And it heats up quicker with a sous vide. Now I'm gonna rinse this and use it later. And I'm gonna rinse this and use it to pour the fixer and the stabilizer also. So it's the same process. I'll just come back later. And with that, you're ready to develop your developer, your blicks, your stabilizer. First batch and the second batch. as far as how long it lasts. So I'm gonna do this, the one in the middle. So for 480, well, I'm gonna do 500 milliliters. So it lasts for like, it says four 36 exposures of 35 millimeter, or 120 medium format, or 220 to 20 medium format. I usually go past this, probably twice, maybe 8 for 120, or 12, or 8. As you develop, you probably see like if it's getting bad already. Like, I think color cast is the number one thing that you'll see. But yeah, that's it.